NASDAQ this week has a rise in value. We can see the price has started to rise from 18,500 and the price formed a bullish break at about 18,843. The price then returned back down just to touch this one, a previous resistance, confirming it as a support, and then continue to rise in value, reaching 19,500 as a resistance level. We can see that the price on a Friday formed this small bullish candle body with a small wick on the lower and on the lower and upper side, and it has just stopped at this resistance level. A weekly time frame shows us a pretty strong bullish candle. The whole week was a bullish, and the previous week has formed this bullish pin bar, which is suggesting further rise in value. The monthly time frame currently shows us a pretty large week, and we have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. But what we can see is that the bullish strength is much stronger than the selling pressure that has happened here after the previous month has closed as an indecision with a small bearish candle with a larger wick on the upper side, on the lower side. So for any more information, much more clear will be to go on the daily time frame. But we can see that currently the price is on the confluence of a resistance around 19,500, where we can see this is the uptrend trend line, which is acting now as a resistance until the price go inside this uptrend, and then it will act as a support. But now it is confluence of a resistance, which means the price here will have a hard time to break above and stay above. But what I can see here, it is pretty strong, a bullish momentum right here, where I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise value and reach next week the next level, which will be around 20,000 as a round number. Now for the price to reverse all the way back down, the price should go below 18,843 just to completely switch from this bullish momentum into bearish to continue to fall down in value, which is less likely, but anything can happen on the market. So these are the very important levels. If the price goes above, this will target 20,000. If it goes below, this will open further decline in price value. So we'll see what happens next week, but I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.